Welcome back to Summarize Science. We all know that AIs can do incredible things, but they have a very human-like problem. They forget. A chatbot might forget the start of a conversation, or an AI trained to identify cats might forget what a dog looks like after learning about birds. This has been a huge challenge for decades, but this paper, Forgetting is Everywhere, introduces a revolutionary new way to think about it. Previously, scientists had trouble measuring forgetting because they would often confuse it with other things, like an AI getting better at an old task after learning a new one. This research cuts through the confusion with one simple, powerful insight. They propose that we can define forgetting by looking at an AI's expectations. Imagine an AI sees a piece of data it was already predicting perfectly. If seeing that expected data still causes the AI to change its predictions about the future, it can't have learned anything new. Instead, it must have lost some of its previously acquired knowledge. It must have forgotten something. This is the core idea. Forgetting is a violation of self-consistency. Every time an AI learns, it's a balancing act. It absorbs new information, but in the process, it displaces some of the old information. Armed with this new definition, the researchers set out to see just how common this phenomenon is. As you can see from these graphs, the paper's title is no joke. They tested this across a wide range of tasks, from classification to regression, and found that forgetting is truly everywhere, constantly happening under the hood. But here is where it gets really fascinating. You would think that the best AI would be the one that forgets the least, right? Well, their results show that's not true at all. The AIs that learned the fastest and most effectively were not the ones with zero forgetting. Instead, there's an optimal sweet spot where a moderate amount of forgetting actually helps the AI adapt and perform better. Too little forgetting and the AI is too rigid, too much, and it becomes unstable. This instability is especially wild in reinforcement learning, the type of AI used for complex tasks like mastering games. Because the AI is constantly changing its own environment by taking actions, its forgetting profile becomes chaotic and unpredictable, which makes learning much less efficient. So, let's recap the main takeaways. First, researchers have a powerful new way to define and measure forgetting in any learning algorithm by looking for violations in self-consistency. Second, this forgetting is a pervasive and constant part of how AI learns. And most importantly, forgetting isn't just a bug to be squashed. It's a fundamental trade-off, and the right amount of it is actually a feature that enables efficient and adaptive learning. This work could change how we build AI in the future. Instead of just trying to create AIs with perfect memory, the goal might shift to creating AIs that are experts at forgetting, knowing exactly what to discard and when. This could lead to more robust, efficient, and intelligent systems down the line. Thanks for watching Summarize Science, and we'll see you next time.